is the brand new track layout at Mildenhall Motocross. They turned the track around. Now it's backwards. Okay, so first we go up the hill, then it's into the right, left turns. These are so good for practicing, setting up for corners and line choice. After this corner, a roller and step down jump. I couldn't clear this on the 110. I did try. I 50-50'd it twice. This section you can open it up. If you carry enough speed out of this turn, the next jump is really fun. I think I have the whole jump on my 65. I'll take clearing the first part of my 110 though. After this turn are the woops. They're quite deep. I saw a few people having some dirt naps here. Maybe take it steady first lap out. They are really fun, but my guess is that they might get tamed down by the fun police. The woops will be really good practice for arena crash. So that's lap 1 done. Keep left to do more laps. Or let me just rewind. Stay right to come off the track. So if you're in racing or arena cross, maybe try the new Mildenhall track. No riding in the pits, guys.